bigger fucking part, you know. You ain't no next to what I'm Stevie fucking Wonder.